This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ray Wilson. Welcome home to this beautiful, move-in ready home located in Hawksnest of Metro West. This home offers maintenance-free living in grass/grounds of this golf community. Have privacy with no rear neighbors and a lovely large screened-in back patio lanai, with views of the course and a pond. In this meticulously maintained, two-story home, downstairs you will find a spacious master bedroom with nice laminate wood flooring, crown molding and a large master bath, which includes a soaking garden tub, walk-in shower, a huge walk-in closet, and a dual vanity. Through the front door entry, is a grand open concept formal living room with stone fireplace and a beautiful stone veneer wall. The area continues to a very spacious chef's open kitchen with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, an island breakfast bar, tons of storage, an eat-in kitchen and formal dining area. This truly is an amazing area for entertaining and family gatherings. Upstairs you will find 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths, a spacious loft/bonus space and large outside balcony deck with access from 2 of the rooms. 2 of the rooms are jack-in jack style, with full shared bathroom. 1 bedroom is quite large, with 2 closets. Newer air conditioner in 2017. HOA includes lawn maintenance. Hawksnest is also comfortably located in a top-rated school district, and located close to I-4, downtown, turnpike, all attractions, shopping, and just minutes from Restaurant Row. Come and see this gorgeous home in a fantastic Orlando community today. For more information, review the details below.